How to share a Canva design on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to share your Canva design directly on WhatsApp. Whether you want someone to just view it or collaborate and edit it with you. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, head over to the Canva and go to project section and find the design that you want to share. In my case, I will use this one. So here simply click on the design to open it, and for smoother experience you can open it in a new tab. And once the design is open, you can go to the top right corner and simply click on share. And here from the drop down menu, simply click on link to collaborate, and by default it's set to only you can access. Here you can change that to anyone with a link, and you can now choose between view only, edit, and once that's selected, you can click copy link. And once you're done with that, simply go to the WhatsApp. And once you are inside the WhatsApp, simply open the chat where you want to send the link to. And once you're inside the chat, simply paste the link and send it. And that's it. Now your contact can now open the design, and if you give them edit access, they can start working on it right away. And that's how easily it is to share a Canva project on WhatsApp in just a few clicks. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.